Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see a very healthy recipe, nothing but the flax seeds, garlic, moringa leaves powder. We've already seen moringa leaves powder, how we have to make it in one of the previous videos. In this video also it is almost similar, but we're going to add a few ingredients, especially this flax seeds, which has got added benefit. You can look into the benefits of flax seeds. It really helps in promoting the hair growth. And moringa leaves, it actually cures a lot of problems in the body. If there is any deficiency in the body, it actually balances it. And research has proved that every day we can have about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaves powder. So instead of having sambar rice and rasam rice every day, my suggestion is before we start that, we can have at least a few mouths of this moringa leaves powder, because it is definitely going to benefit you and with growing children too. So let's see how we can prepare this flax seeds, garlic, moringa leaves powder. 3 bunches of moringa leaves. I have taken the leaves out and I have dried it in a muslin cloth. It's been about 4 days and you can see it's completely dry now. If you do like this, if you crush it like this, you can easily powder it. On the first day, for some time, I have used the fan to dry out the leaves, and after that, it was just lying on my dining table for next 3 to 4 days. I've taken 1 big plate of moringa leaves powder. This is around 3 bunches, which I have dried and kept. 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of black till, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, turkey berry size tamarind, 3 flakes of garlic, half a cup of white urad dal, some rock salt, 8 to 9 red chilies, a small turkey berry size solid hing, or you can substitute with the powder if you don't have the solid, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, ghee required for frying. First we're going to fine powder the moringa leaves powder. It's actually dried and crisp, but in case if you want to, you can always microwave for about 30 seconds and then fine powder it. So meanwhile we're going to dry roast the flax seeds and red chili and the solid hing on a pan. So along with the red chilies and flax seeds and the hing, I'm also going to add the till. So once it's fried and the flax seeds begin to splutter, we can transfer this to a plate. Now I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and we're going to roast the urad dal. After about a minute or so, when the urad dal is almost half fried, I'm adding the black pepper as well as the jeera and the tamarind. Break the tamarind into small pieces and add so that it gets fried evenly and faster. Now you can see that the urad dal is fried into nice brown in color. At this stage, we can transfer to the plate. Just make sure that the urad dal doesn't turn black in color. Now I'm going to dry fry the rock salt. So basically we are frying the salt so that the moisture content of the salt completely goes off, and the shelf life of this powder also gets enhanced because of frying the salt. My grandma used to fry the salt for making any kind of powder. So this is a small tip which I want to pass it on. So finally I'm going to fry the garlic. So I'm just going to cut it into 2 and add it in the pan. Add a teaspoon of ghee and then we'll fry it. So you can see that the garlic also has been fried nicely to a nice crispy brown color. Again, switch off the gas. We're going to powder all the ingredients. First I'm going to powder the moringa leaves. After that I'll be powdering the dal as well as the garlic. Now you can see you have an excellent color of the moringa leaves powder. So now I've transferred dals along with the garlic. We can grind this first, and then we'll be adding little by little the other dals and we'll be grinding it to a fine powder. Now you can see that the dal has been ground into a fine powder. I'll be transferring this also to the already ground moringa leaves powder. You can check for the salt and the spice levels at this stage. If desired, you can add the black pepper powder or the powdered salt and adjust accordingly. So the nutritious flax seeds, garlic, moringa leaves powder is ready. So you can have this along with hot steaming rice, add a teaspoon of ghee, mix it up and have it. And if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon for further interesting notifications and recipes. Have a wonderful day.